Honor. I had somebody standing by
I don't care.
at my place.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry, I'm not trying to give you a hard time. I'm not adjourning this case. And I'm just telling you, this case is older than 91 days when I go to May 8th. I'm not adjourning it again.
Very
I
good.
will not adjourn this again. So if you want to, I can set it for a bench trial on the Woodhaven docket preceding that. Wild Mohammed Alanzi, 25W388138 and B. Good morning, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Joseph Bravo, on behalf of Wild Lindsay, approaching the podium, standing just to my right. Mr. Lindsay, please state your name for the record. Anytime set for pretrial, Your Honor. We're gonna waive jury trial. Hopefully it leaves some pressure on the court. And we got like a little bit of extra time to resolve this matter. And the reason
I'm gonna do the bench trial on May the 8th.
sorry,
If we're gonna, you got a jury trial waiver here.
that's fine. We'll set it for bench, and by that time we'll have everything resolved, Your Honor.
I know, but he's gotta get moving here.
Well, it's not him, it's the courts. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I'm retained on all these matters. I'm responsible.
Isn't that the courts?
But
Why is it
it
the,
truly is the courts. I'm at mercy of their schedule.
whose?
The court schedule.
Not us.
No,
Yeah.
not this court schedule.
No, we're the best. Why?
That's
Well, what do you mean?
Well,
You're at the mercy of the other courts.
our plea agreement here hinges upon the other courts resolving their matters. I can't get the prosecutor to move in the direction that I want without these other matters being closed. And one of them is
Well,
the
he's
matter's
gonna,
still open when it's not.
okay, listen, I'll take the waiver.
Thank you.
We'll set it for a bench on May the 8th. I might set it earlier by a couple of days.
I don't even think I can do maybe, Your Honor.
Well, listen, I'm not adjourning this again. I'm telling you, I'm not adjourning this. I'm just not doing it. You know, look, let me let you in on a secret, counsel. My constituents are my number one boss. Number two is the Supreme Court. And they tell me I'm supposed to have 98% of these cases done within 91 days. They didn't write me and ask my opinion whether or not that was enough time. And I'm just telling you, this case is older than 91 days when I go to May 8th. I'm not adjourning it again.
Very
I
good.
will not adjourn this again. I told you that before. I wrote in big letters, no more adjournments. That was on April 1.
So I wasn't here April 1, Your Honor. I had somebody standing by
I don't care.
at my place.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry, I'm not trying to give you a hard time. I'm not adjourning this case.
okay.
So if you want to, I can set it for a bench trial on the Woodhaven docket preceding that. Or I'll keep it on for May the 8th. And we can
May
have,
the 8th is the furthest we can go. We'll take
it's the
that.
furthest we can go.
No, that's.
All right.
Hands are tied.
All right, so sir, you understand you have the constitutional right to a jury trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand 6 people would be impaneled right over there and all 6 would have to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in order for you to be convicted. By waiving your right to a jury trial, I will be the one who will solely decide your guilt or innocence. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You still wish to waive your right to a trial by jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to do that? I love those looks you're giving me. Is that what you want to do, is waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor. It doesn't seem like it's too harsh of like they don't have big charges there.
What's the question you're asking?
I don't know what you're asking. These are not big charges?
Yeah, just
Your lawyer will talk to you about all that if you want to
You
talk to him.
already know what the allegations are. Do you want to have a jury trial or not? That's kind of, this is where we're going with it. You already know what the game plan is. You want to keep it,
the jury trial.
you want to waive, or you want to keep the jury trial?
Waive them.
All right,
All right, so you wish to give up your right to a trial by jury?
sure.
Anybody force you to do that?
Oh.
And that is your signature here on this document, entitled waiver of trial by jury and election be tried without jury, correct? All right, I'll accept the waiver. Now, so I don't want to bring in the prosecutor on May the 8th, to tell you the truth. When does Woodhaven have a docket that week?
I'm sorry, which week was that, Judge?
It's the week of May the 4th.
We have, that would be Judge Hessen's Woodhaven docket on that week.
I'm setting this for, call him Mr. Urick.
Sir.
What's he get? Let me talk to the prosecutor when he comes in. Good morning, Mr. Urick. How are you?
We are well. How was the court today?
Not bad. Your appearance?
William Urick on behalf of the city of Woodhaven.
So we got this. He's waiving his right to a trial by jury. I told you guys last time I wouldn't adjourn it again. I'm sorry. I'll keep my voice up. If you want, if you can get here at 8:30 in the morning on Judge Hessen's docket, which is May the 6th, right, Heather? She's working on something else. I think she said May the 6th. Then we can take care of it that day, and you don't have to come in on Friday. Is that good? Is that good with you, counsel?
6,
Yeah.
8:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Make sure I don't have any conflicts. If that's our only option, then I'm gonna have to make it work for it.
I'll tell you. I'm here. Am I here May 13th, Heather? Yes.
Yes, you are, Judge.
Let's just make it on May the 13th.
I really appreciate that, Your Honor.
Okay. And can you do it at 8:30 in the morning that day?
You sure can, Your Honor.
So we'll set a bench trial on May the 8th. I'm sorry, May the 13th. My apologies. May the 13th at 8:30. What are you looking for him to do before you reduce this? I don't know anything about
He
this.
has yet to obtain clearances that are showing on his driving record in the 19th and the 36th.
Just
So
clearance?
counsel informs me he's done some due diligence, but they're still there as of April 9th. So I can only go by what
What's he got to do?
your state informs me.
They're just tickets that he has to pay and pay the.
They're just fines, you know.
Where does your client work?
He owns a smoke shop in Ohio.
Okay. How much does he owe in tickets? Do you have any idea?
That I could not tell the court.
Probably less than a couple $100, but he says he's paid them off. I know that he's paid them off. I'm not sure why it's not reflected yet.
Well, he might have paid him off, but not paid the clearance. That might be the easy resolution. You know, sometimes, I don't know their policies that if somebody's paid a ticket and they don't tell them, the clerk doesn't tell them, hey, by the way, you owe a clearance fee and the suspension's gonna stay on your record. That could be the answer to it. If he thinks he's paid them off, maybe he just did, but didn't pay his clearances.
Well,
$45 per ticket. So anyway, you guys figure it out. I'll see you back here May 13th. No adjournments, guys, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Why we asked the court to enter the regulation as submitted.
Sir, is there anything you'd like to say?
No, yeah.
I didn't like some of this that I read in the board. I'm not saying it was you. You were supposed to tell the police officer that you had a firearm immediately upon him stopping the car. You didn't have a CPL. And your buddy here, whoever he is, I don't need to go into it. I don't know if he was in here on another case. Wow. Didn't obey lawful commands, acting like he was sleeping. Who does this guy think he is? Is this the kind of people you're gonna hang out with? I mean, I'm just asking you, if you're gonna hang out with them, listen, if you're gonna hang out with guys like this, you're not gonna do any good. Okay, I'm just telling. You wanna hang out with guys like that think they can disrespect police officers. You know, there were guns in the area, right?
Yeah.
and he's refusing lawful commands, and you hang out with guys like this, you'll be back here by, I don't know, today is April 15th, you'll probably be back in here by the 20th. I'm serious. You tell him I said that. Was he in front of me on any of this? You guys got Glocks for. When did you have a Glock for?
I did borrow it from my friend.
Bought it for your friend. From your friend. What are you gonna do with a Glock? What do you need a Glock for?
Like guns.
Like guns. I just didn't like this. This struck me wrong. I'm reading how disrespectful this buddy of yours was, and I don't know who he thinks he is. He must be running the Pentagon at a minimum. You're not smirking, are you? Because I don't find any of this amusing. Pardon?
No, I'm not smirking.
Are you working now?
Yeah, I go back to 20.
Who's this with you?
Like,
I hope you're paying him rent.
Yo, I gave him my house.
You what?
I gave him my house.
yeah.
You gave him your house?
Yeah, but he didn't put me in his meeting. But the house, I've turned over to him.
Why?
Cause I wanna set him up in life. I've already discussed his friends with him.
I had great grandparents too. They were phenomenal. Nobody gave me their house though.
Me neither.
I'm telling you. I just don't like some of the things I read in this report. And you are a young man, you're 19 years old, you have a chance to keep this off your record. I hope you do. I hope you think about what I'm telling you. If my father used to tell me, if you sleep with the pigs, after a while you start to smell like them. Got it?
Mhm.
9 months probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. No firearms. No firearms. You're not to possess firearms. You're not to possess dangerous weapons. Do we understand?
Yes.
You're to obtain and maintain employment and provide proof of that. You're to attend a Class A training center, rights and responsibilities weapons program. Attend that, complete that. I want you to serve 3 days on the court work program. That's $105, 35 a day. 200 fines, 75 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. $400, screening fee 60 for 460, probation fees are 180 for 640 plus your court work program fee, 745. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal and 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. I'm going to give you a review hearing date. If you're compliant, you come back. I'll be more than happy to dismiss your case, okay? We'll give you a review hearing date, and that'll be on motion to prosecutor. So I'll take this under height at you. Heather, what do you have for me? So 9 months, we're looking somewhere around the early part of January, I suppose, or late December.
So we could either, we have December 23rd if we want to do late December.
That's fine. December 23rd at 8:30. December the 23rd of 26 at 8:30. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply to a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. If you violate, your probation could be revoked, conviction entered, you'd be subject to a 90-day jail term. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. Any questions?
No, sir.
Can you pay all of this?
He can't pay it all day. We proposed that he pay $20 a month, starting May the 1st.
Judge, he does have a bond, and then he does have an additional bond that we transferred over from another case.
He has a
of
bond
his.
because he didn't show up. How much is this bond's worth?
He has a $300 bond on this case, and then a 180 bond we transferred from another case.
Was that was 2,010% on that one? It's
Correct.
3,010% on this, right?
Correct.
So he has $500. That means he has $450 to apply. And that's all in his name?
I believe so. Let me just double check that real quick.
Yes, at least mine is. The one on this case is.
Yes, they are. Both
You
are.
pay $450 now, and I will simply give you until how long to pay the other $295?
You pay that on May first,
Yeah.
95,
Yeah.
May first, Your Honor.
May the 1st. All right, you'll meet with probation. You'll get your review hearing date. Stay out of here. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we need Beth on that, Christina.
What's the last name?
What do you have, Mr. Cayley?
Justice?
Christina Justice. Christina Love Justice, 26W839416. Is this your client? What case do you have, Mr. Cayley?
No.
I'm having a hard time picking you up. I'm not getting you at all.
Not getting me?
What case?
Koali, Al Koali.
What is it?
Quality. It is scheduled at
9:15.
Your name, ma'am?
Sarah Justice.
This is 26W839416. You're charged with assault and battery. I need to know, do you want a lawyer to represent you?
Yes, please.
We'll set you up with a lawyer. Do you guys have that? Yeah.
Give it to me.
No, the other one,
One.
the one that I circled.
Oh, no.
Where's the file? Beth, you have the file on that?
I looked that up. It looks like it's pending, like it's not raining yet today.
Who?
On a Christina Justice.
No,
That's what John told me. And
That's what I was told. Hang on. We got 10,000 things on.
wait a minute, slow down. Everybody slow down. You go out in the hall, I'll get you a lawyer.
So we're making this file back.
I need the review hearing file on Courtney. I don't know where it is. Do we have the file?
I can check and see, maybe the prosecutor has it. then they
No,
come
it's
in
up.
for regular
I don't
review.
know why the prosecutor. Heather, do you have any clue where that file would
I'm
be?
talking to Heather right now, Judge, on something.
I can look and see if it's back here, but I don't know. She doesn't qualify for a review. Oh, she's a probation review here too. Oh, she's
We're talking
probation
about this.
review. Okay, let me look and see if she's back here.
Beth.
I'll look, John.
Okay,
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, you want me to check with the prosecutor just in case they put it as a deferred judgment? They might have given it.
sure, that would be great. Ismail, I'm sorry,
That's the answer.
Al Hussein Ismail Al Kawali, 26W841990. Okay, I got it. Go ahead,
Here's
Mr.
the prosecutor review, Your Honor. We got sidetracked on something. Heather said she doesn't think she qualifies. There between probation.
What?
Talking.
All right,
No,
Mr. Cayley, get close to that device. Tell me your name.
Good morning, Judge Roger Keeley on behalf of the respondent in this matter.
No, a little closer. You're going to plead to impeding on behalf of the defendant, right?
Correct.
To that charge of impeding on behalf of the defendant, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm gonna accept the plea. How's his record? All right, $180, and I'll give him until the 22nd to pay. Okay, is that good enough?
2 weeks, Judge.
29th.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Did you say 170 or 175, Judge?
180 by the
180.
29th.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Cotillion.
Your Honor, at this time, we're waiting for the conservation officer, Ms. Young. I've been in touch with her. It'll be a text
All
message.
right.
She's just getting to her.
Did anyone? Okay. We don't have. All right. All right, there we go. Courtney, Elaine,
Just call
Matiasek, I can't remember the last name, how I pronounced it. 225R7243660. Good morning, council. Your appearance?
Good morning, everyone. William Balsky appearing on behalf of Corey Matiasek, who stands here. Right.
Matiasek?
Oh, Matiasek. I believe.
Matiasek.
Matiasek. I'm sorry. As fellow Polish person, it's.
It does like my grandpa, yeah.
So.
I said it like your grandma?
It does, but I think.
Matiasek.
Matiasek. All right. Your name?
Elizabeth Westration.
All right, so you're here for a review. How's she doing?
Courtney is doing great on the program. I know this morning at status review, we briefly touched on that she had missed her probation visit with me last week. But she was within 10 or 15 minutes late. I wasn't able to meet with her due to other visits. But she did all the right things. She communicated with me. In the meantime, she completed her court work program, her community service, her VIP's been complete since February. But at this point, her probation is really revolving around treatment, her continued 12 steps and testing. She is slated to move to phase 2 next status review on April 29th, Your Honor. And I don't know much else I can add to that. She's back to work. She took the beginning of her program off from work so that she could accomplish those items. So I do have her in full compliance, Your Honor.
Just for the record, so I ordered a year jail term with credit for 1 day and said she was to serve 60 days beginning today, that I could consider not requiring her to serve it after a review hearing. What do you want to say, Mr. Volsky?
Well, first and foremost, Your Honor, most importantly, my client is 7 months sober. I know that she was given a gift here. She's taken full advantage of it. She's remained sober. She enjoys the program. She's done everything this court has required her to do. I know that, as Ms. Wild had stated, she finished community service, 40 hours. She did a 6-day work program. She signed up for the Arms Weekend. That's the first week of May. She is on a payment plan. She's made, I think she paid about a third of what's been owed. Obviously, as Ms. Wild stated, she took some time off to focus on herself and get, her sobriety under control. And she had some pretty serious health issues, which required surgery. So she's progressing well in that area as well. She's 34 years old. She resides in Farmington. She's here with her mother today. Most importantly, Your Honor, no violation. She is terrified of doing that jail time, and she's terrified of relapse. So this is a great program that she enjoys, and I'll just ask you to forego giving her that jail time and just allow her to continue this program.
All right, anything you want to say?
No, thank you.
All right, so listen, I mean, all statistics tell me that somebody's doing this well, it's counterproductive to put somebody in jail, and that was the concern. But I want to caution you. So I'm not going to require you to serve those 60 days now. I'm going to suspend them until the end. But I'm going to caution you. Don't let your guard down. You're looking at a whole year here, and I will give you the whole year if you don't comply. You understand? You have to get through the program. You have to stay straight. You have to keep doing this. You're just on the beginning of this. So stay with it. Okay? All right. That's what I'll do. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you.
Always good to see you.
You too, Mr. Bull.
Can I approach me 10 seconds?
Sure. Come on around.